Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited to introduce you to my brand new Android mobile game WordMart, where fun meets learning. If you enjoy word puzzles, this game is for you. In WordMart, you will solve puzzles by finding hidden words at different levels and can try your luck with a special spin wheel options, where sometimes you get reward and sometimes it's a challenge. There are three unique things that makes WordMart stand out. Your name can appear in the WordMart Champion list if you are the top performer. Second one is you can create your own word puzzle that other users can play and your name will be shown as the creator. The third is it's not just a game, you can also learn the meaning of the word instantly by simply clicking on it. Like I'm clicking on the word crow. You just need to press it for 1 or 2 seconds and you will get the meaning of that word. Finch. The game is available for Android only and I have shared the Play Store link in the description below so you can download it right away. So you're not only having fun but also building your vocabulary and competing with others. In this video, I'll show you how this game works, how to get started and share some tips to play smarter. So let's dive in. Let me open the application from the beginning. This is the sign in and sign up page, the very first screen of the application. As you can see, there are two ways to sign in. The first one is Google sign in or using username and password. If you want to sign in using username and password, you first need to register by clicking on register now. Here you can create a unique username and password, and after confirming the password just click on the sign up button to begin. For now I'm going ahead with Google sign in. So I'm clicking on Google sign in and I select my account. Okay. Now this is the dashboard screen. It shows your overall game statistics and also display the list of top performers. I will explain this part later in the video. There are 3 levels in the game: basic, standard, challenging. Currently I have selected the standard mode. When I click on start button, the word puzzle game will begin. So here our game starts. The rule is simple. We need to find all these words or as many as possible from the given before the timer runs out. Since this is the standard level, every word you find will give you 2 points. So let's find the word. Okay. The word can appear in the following pattern, that is either left to right, right to left, top to bottom and bottom to top. Every level has different patterns that we will cover later. Now let me point out the spin wheel option. This is mainly for entertainment purpose. When you click on it, you get a chance to test your luck. Now I'm clicking on the spin wheel option. It says enjoy an ad-free victory. So this means whenever I'll finish my game, I won't have to see the ad. Now we are back in the game. Here's something interesting. When I long press any word, I can see the meaning of that word. Like long click on Brazil and see. This is one of the main advantage of WordMart. It perfectly fits our tagline, where phone meets learning. For now, let's pause the game and go back to the dashboard. Now let's select the basic level and start the game. Here the number of words that you need to find is fewer, only 6 words you need to find. The possible word patterns here are left to right, right to left, and top to bottom. For each word you find, you will get 1 point. Let's go back to dashboard part and select the challenging mode. Okay, so here the number of words you need to find is greater, a total of 9 words. The possible word patterns are left to right, right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top, diagonal in this way, diagonal in this way, then diagonal in this way, and diagonal in this way. Now here for every word that you find, you will get 3 points, as this one is a challenging level. Now let's get to dashboard. Okay, so now I'll select the basic level and let's complete one game. Okay, Hamana. Then Cairo, Cairo. Let's see what's come here. Oh, get some bonus point, 5 point. And here is the last one. So as you can see, I have completed the word puzzle, and this dialog shows the total score of mine is 11. I have found all words, plus I got some extra bonus point, that is 5. Time bonus is 0. If I completed this game within half of the time, then I would have get 3 bonus points, and game completed score is 3, that is I have found all the words, so I get some additional point. So that's make my total score to 14. Here is the message. Tap submit to watch an ad. So after completing a level, if you want to submit the score to the WordMart server, you need to watch one small advertisement. The advertisement length would usually be 30 seconds to 1 minute. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so now it says your score has updated. Also the message says you made an entry in the top performer of the week. So now let's go back and check the top performer list. And here is okay, so now let's talk about the WordMart Champions. So at the top you can see the top performer of the last week. For every level there are two champions, one who has the highest score and one who completed the level in the fastest time. So as a reward, these WordMart champions of the last week will not need to watch an ad when submitting their score to the server in the current week. The second part is the champions of the current week for the selected level. Again, the best in score and the best in time. Here for every level more than one user exists. So you can see for standard and for challenging. If your name appears here, it will be visible to all WordMart family members. This list keeps getting updated depending on the best performance. Now let me show you some additional features included in WordMart. The first we have here is the logout option. You can log out of the application anytime. Second one is the delete account. This lets you delete your WordMart account permanently. Honestly, I hope you never use this one. I want you to remain part of WordMart family for as long as possible. The third one is the feedback option. Here you can share your feedback, suggestion or even complaint regarding the app. Your opinions help us to improve WordMart. Let's go back for now. Another option is build your own puzzle. So this one is the most exciting feature. With this you can create your own word puzzle that other players can play, and when someone play your puzzle, your name will appear showing that this puzzle is created by you. Let's begin with it, and let's enter one, create one own puzzle. I'll create one animal. The maximum length for this wood is 5. Let's go with the cat. Then dog. Let's keep it as camel, lion, tiger, goat, bison, giraffe, monkey. Okay, so you can here see the maximum limit allowed for each word. Here is 7, then 7, 6, 5. Now after that we just need to submit, and it says your WordMart puzzle has been submitted. Once verified, it will be reviewed by the WordMart team, and once approved it will go live for everyone to enjoy. Pretty cool, right? Now let me show you what happens when like as you can see here, this puzzle is created by the user Meena. So every time when your puzzle appears someone to play, then your name will appear over here. Let's go back quickly, and there we have privacy policy option where you can read out how your data is handled, and there is check for update option. When you click on it, if a new update is available, you will see the following dialog box. Just click yes and you will be redirected to Play Store to update the game. Currently I am selecting no. Another option is rate us. When you click on it, you will be redirected to Play Store, and I hope you'll give some good ratings and share your experience with others as well. Another option is invite friends. You can invite your friends to join WordMart via WhatsApp or any other application. And the last word is word search mode toggle. This is a special toggle. If you keep it selected, then after finishing a level, you will still be able to check the word meaning by clicking on them. If you turn it off, you will be then taken to the dashboard immediately after submitting your score. So that's everything about the game. Of course, there's always a room for improvement, and your feedback, suggestion, complaint really matter to me. And guys, I truly wish you all download and try out this Android app. So play, learn new vocabulary and share WordMart with your friends. That's all for now. Goodbye and see you soon.